If Framer is showing a fail to load canvas or fail to fetch error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your project as quickly as possible. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it's caused by a temporary browser problem, a cache issue, an extension conflict, or even a Framer service outage. So follow along carefully, and by the end, you should have a much better chance of fixing the problem without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and web design tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in Framer and see if the canvas loads normally. If you're getting the error right away, the first thing to try is a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and R together. This forces the browser to reload the page without relying on old cached data, which can often resolve display and loading issues. If you're on a Mac, you can use the equivalent hard refresh shortcut in your browser. After refreshing, give Framer a moment to reload and check whether the canvas appears. If the issue is still there, the next step is to check Framer's status page for any outages or service interruptions. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. It may be a temporary issue with Framer's servers. If there's an outage, the best thing to do basically is wait until the service is restored and then try again later. Now, if Framer is up and running, but the canvas still won't load, close your browser completely and reopen it. This simple step can clear temporary session problems that sometimes interfere with web apps like Framer. Once the browser reopens, go back to your project and test it again. If that still doesn't solve it, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache from your settings. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause websites to fail to load properly. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cached images and files. After clearing the cache, reload Framer and check if the canvas works. Another very important fix is to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Extensions can sometimes block important scripts, requests, or assets that Framer needs to load your project correctly. Try turning off extensions one by one, or disable them all temporarily, then refresh Framer again. If the canvas starts working after disabling an extension, you found the cause. At that point, you can keep that extension off for Framer or add Framer to its allowed sites list. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. Hard refresh, checking the status page, restarting your browser, clearing cache, or disabling extensions. If you've gone through all of them and Framer still shows the failed to load canvas error, try logging out and back in, or test the project in a different browser to rule out a local browser issue. The main goal is to isolate whether the problem is caused by Framer, your browser, or an extension. And that's it. You now know how to troubleshoot the Framer failed to load canvas or failed to fetch error step by step. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Framer troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.